everyone, my name is Geena and I am the merchandiser here at FabFitFun. Welcome to 5 Faves. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favorite products shoppable in the Fall Edit sale. So for those of you who don't know, the Fall Edit is an exclusive FabFitFun members only sale where you can shop hundreds of products for up to 70% off. You will not find better deals anywhere else, so if you are not a FabFitFun member already, go ahead and sign up right over here, RN, right now, do it. So before I dive into my 5 faves, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. And as a reminder, we will be linking all of the products that I'm talking about below. So let's get started. So this is the Freck Beauty So Jelly Cactus Eye Jelly with plant collagen. That is a whole lot of good stuff. Cactus is extremely trendy. Succulents are very cool. I can't personally keep one alive, but I do what I can. This eye cream will improve your skin luminosity as well as decreasing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. Basically, it's your perfect all-in-one, everything you want eye cream. So to apply, you're just going to take a little dab of it, put it right under your eyes, all the way up through to your crow's feet. To get the best results, you're gonna wanna use it twice a day, morning and night. So Freck Beauty is a completely cruelty-free and vegan line. No phthalates, no gluten, no parabens, none of the bad stuff, all of the good stuff. So this eye cream is chock full of incredible ingredients, first of which is the prickly peared seed oil that contains vitamin K, which is going to be amazing for brightening and luminosity under your eyes. Next up, there is cactus flower extract, and that acts as a barrier for premature aging. And finally, olive fruit oil that contains essential fatty acids, so again, super moisturizing. I mean, I could go on and on. One of my favorite things about this eye cream is how big it is. I feel like eye creams always come in these like little minuscule sample jars, but this one comes in a full-size tube, so it's gonna last you a really long time. Keep that cactus seed going. All right, now let's talk about one of my favorite brands, the Kate Somerville Peptide Kate Power Cream. So this cream is a twice daily moisturizer. You're gonna use it morning and night. You can combine it with other serums or just use it alone. And it's going to increase the look of firmness in your skin. So great for any of that anti-aging, preventative aging, all the aging. Inside this little cream is a really powerful blend of peptides that are going to help improve skin texture and tone. I also love that this packaging has this kind of no waste top. So whenever you need more product, you just squeeze it out and scoop it, and it's the perfect amount. So personally, I love the feel of this cream. It's super lightweight and just perfect for everyday use. I love it, everyone loves it, you'll love it too. All right, and now we have the Rosen Skincare Earth Mask. I know typically when you think of a clay mask, you think of it being kind of drying and extracting, but this is actually a hydrating clay mask inspired by Mother Earth. This mask is the perfect solution for more sensitive, maybe acne prone, all that kind of reactive skin that I have, that lots of people have, that we don't like to talk about, but this will help. Fuller's Earth Clay, zinc oxide, and eucalyptus oil are just 3 of the natural ingredients in this mask that are gonna help soothe your bumps and just soothe your skin overall. So to use this mask, you're going to apply it almost like a really heavy cream moisturizer. You're just gonna rub it into your skin, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then go ahead and rinse it off. One of my favorite things about this mask, honestly, is the green color. Who doesn't love a Mrs. Doubtfire hello moment in a green mask? Hello! All right, so now we have the Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Drops. This is in the shade medium, and this is an amazing product for someone who is obsessed with their moisturizer, doesn't want to let go with it, but really wants to add a little bit of glow and a little bit of tan. This self-tanner is jam-packed with superfoods from avocado to chia seed to coconut oil. Kind of sounds like an LA lunch diet, but I'm with it. So to use these drops, you're going to add 1 to 12 drops into your favorite moisturizer. More drops, more tan. Makes sense? For starters, you might want to just do a patch test, maybe try it out with lighter drops, deepen it as you go along, and always wash your hands when you're done, and then you're good to go. Now we have the Patchology Patchology Wink and a Kiss Eye and Lip Gel Pack. This comes with 2 eye gels and 2 lip gels. First, the lip masks are actually called the Super Smooth Talker. I like to think that using them will give you some really incredible pickup lines. I think somebody should call the cops because it's illegal to look this good. So the Super Smooth Talker lip gels are going to deeply moisturize, way better than any other just kind of topical lip treatment. It's fully a mask, so it's gonna absorb in, diminish fine lines, prep your lips for any kind of products you're gonna be putting on later. Last but not least, the peptides and green tea extract in the lip masks help for anti-aging, overall plumpness, all the good stuff. So also included in this pack are the Anytime Perk Me Up eye masks, which are amazing for puffiness, fatigue, dryness. Again, anything under your eyes that you really want to give a little extra love to with a mask. These eye masks contain caffeine and hydrolyzed collagen. They're really going to help you look like you got your full 8 hours, even though I know I didn't, but maybe you did. I'm happy for you. Personally, I love traveling with these. Usually I would have to do lip mask and eye mask separately, but in this pack, it becomes the perfect duo. So when I use these on the plane, when I finally land, I get off the plane looking refreshed, beautiful, even though I'm dying a little bit inside. Wow, I feel better already. So another thing I love about these eye masks is that they're clear, so I can actually wear them in public without looking like as much as a crazy person, at least not from far away. Maybe throw some big sunglasses on, I'm in the clear. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. That wraps up my 5 faves that are going to help you put your best face forward. Be sure to check out these products and so many more in the fall edit sale on FabFitFun.com. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hello! I've never felt so hydrated. This is the perfect solution. This is the most joy I've ever had.